Hello students, I am your physics mentor from Synapse, Rahul Sir. We are organizing a crash course for JEE first attempt, which will be starting from 5th November onwards. Our class timings will be Monday 2 p.m., Friday 2 p.m. and Saturday 11 a.m. On this crash course, we'll be completing full class 11 and class 12 syllabus fully on core. That means we'll be doing numericals also, and we'll be dealing with each and every topics involving theory mechanisms, which will include some tricks and trivias in this particular subject. Especially for those who are having phobia in physics, come and join us. I am guaranteeing you it will be a boom for you. Not only for the preparation of your JEE Mains exam, it will enhance your preparation for your upcoming board exam, may it be from ISC as well as from CBSC or from TBSC boards also. It is for each and every students of you from English medium as well as Bengali medium backgrounds. Our syllabus will run parallelly. That is, on the first day, we'll be covering up chapter 1 of class 11, that is units and measurements. On the second day, we'll be covering chapter 1 of class 12, that is electric fields and charges, so that you won't get bored. That means 11 and 12 will run parallelly throughout. The link of enrollment will be given in the description box, as well as for your admission. Office is open. Come contact us in office. Enrollment is going on. Seats are limited, so seats are filling fast also. You can enroll for your better boosting in physics. Thank you.
Till now, that was your favorite Rahul Sir. Now, I'm going to discuss and brief the entire program. Here, the classes are going to start from 5th of November. There will be weekly 3 classes. A part of these 3 classes, you are going to have numerous doubt clearing classes along with one-to-one interaction with over deep information. Then, your physics will not be a subject anymore. That will be fun for those who are serious students, those who are planning good ranks, those who are thinking of good ranks, and those who need aspirants want to complete their physics within this time. Then students' fear is going to be stopped over in this ultimate solution Synapse crash course for physics. So don't miss it. And for further more details in this new number, it's already given. Just contact over there. So stay tuned and see you soon. Thank you guys.